Yeah, it's Saturday, May 4th, 2013. Feel like I'm a broken record here. You know, we should be celebrating a year ago today we stopped the spraying. But no, instead what we're talking about is Tucson's full of zombies. And anyway, but there are a few people awakened. But this is again another example of geoengineering, folks. Anybody that's just watching this, new to this, if you're in Tucson, like every other place, you're being sprayed heavily. Take a look at this, folks. Nothing normal about it. 50-mile long straight line that everybody right now would go, yeah, that's a jet trail. That's not, it's a contrail, yeah. Okay, well, anyway, so this 50-mile long is going to widen up, turn into cloud cover, you know, the same stuff that we're seeing right now over us. But look at, there's a new X. What they do with the X's is they do them like the beginning of a day or beginning of a period and 6-hour shift, whatever. So they know where their spray's gonna go. They'll put the X and then they can pay attention to where that's heading. You can see the separation here. You've got immediate separation. The metal's falling down out of it. You'd think that people might wake up with like information like this. Oh, yeah. You notice too. Y'all can do this. Everyone can do this. Maybe you don't have a van, but you probably got a car, and this is tripping people out. I come out of the store. Just put the truth. It's really funny. Just put the truth on your vehicle, and you're gonna see some interesting results. I've got a new array here on the back, which is it's anyway. It takes some reading, but you could slow it down. I don't know. Goes to there. Then we jump over to here. Little information. If they got time, they're behind me at a light. You know, they're gonna, you know. Anyway, that's part of the information I got on there. And then, of course, you got this side. Because, yeah, here we are. Man-made clouds. Correct way to explain it, because that is reality. So do that to your vehicle. You know, it takes some balls, but I got no lack of that. Especially when you're watching this, folks. Bunch of garbage, man. I'm done with it. Real News Tucson, Chris Haskell, reporter.